video. Of course, we're gonna be restoring this Jeep. Just a quick restore, nothing fancy. So I've already removed the seats, back ones. Gotta sand everything down. So I ended up sanding the front end. Ended up doing it with 80 grit. Put a little Bondo, I still gotta sand that. There was a few dents there, fixed them, put a little bit of body filler, nothing perfect. Be Raptor line, so tomorrow I should have all this sanded. Then, well, actually I'm gonna have all this sanded here. Oops. Remove the stickers. So I've already sanded it down with 40 grit, 80 grit, 40 grit only on the parts that were peeled bad. Then I hit the whole thing with 80. I still have to hit this end here. Finish sanding this part. And then the inside is pretty much done. What is up, YouTube? On today's episode, this is a Jeep that I Raptor line. Ended up upgrading the headlights, parking lights, side markers. Currently I'm painting the side steps. He already took it, but he came back for me to spray these black. The inside, of course, is a little dirty, but I mean, everything was sprayed Raptor. I sprayed the roll bar. I ended up putting a tarp. All I ended up doing was just putting self tapper screws. I mean, it worked best. So yeah. So yeah, the side step, of course, is painted on this side. LED side markers, LED running parking lights, LED headlights. They're very bright at night. So yeah, this is pretty much how it looks. The complete product. I mean, it's a little dirty, but yeah. You could do this at home. Super easy. Don't be scared to do it. Prepping is what's more important. So if you prep good, you're good. So yeah, peace.